Hi everybody, this is Teacher Freddy. Well, we are going to start with the third unit on page 28, okay? We are going to describe objects and indicate location at school. Well, on page 28, color the classroom objects that you find out here, okay? For example, a ruler, a notebook, some scissors, and so on, okay? The pencil case, you're gonna color them. This is very simple for you, okay? Color the way you want. Now, that's okay. On part two, you are going to the sticker page at last of the book, in the last part of the book, and you are gonna help Lily find her school supplies. You are gonna find out a pencil, a sharpener, a marker, also a pen, a notebook, a ruler, a pencil case, and an eraser. And here you have grammar bridge in this red chart, okay? When you have a word that starts with a consonant, you are going to use a. I mean, in this case, it is a book, because B is a consonant, okay? And also, when you have a word that starts with a vowel, in this case, eraser starts with E, and E is a vowel, you have to write down N. So it is an eraser, okay? This is very easy, so stick those classrooms objects. That's good. Continue. Here on page 30, you are going to trace the words and you are going to read the sentences. That's okay. For example, there are my markers, or this is my backpack, or that's my backpack too, and those are my markers, okay? And here we also have grammar bridge again, the red box, okay? In this case, the word this is used for a singular and the object is near. For example, this chair. When is far and is singular too, you say that. For example, that chair. And when you say these chairs are plural, are near to, okay? And when you say those chairs, there are plural, there are more than one chair or an object, and also are far away, okay? So now they're going to try to fill this dialogue here, okay? So according to the words that appear here in the toolkit, you're going to do it. You have the word pens, markers, rulers, box, digital boards, or color pencil, okay? Pencils. So you are gonna fill it, and this is very simple, okay? So let's move to the next page. You are going to circle yes or not according to the sentences. For example, the A, the book is under the table, I mean below, and this is not correct. It's on the table, over, okay, over the table. So you mark no, and so on. You have to do those of them, okay? It's very simple. Okay, let's move. Here I have a short activity. In the next page, this is very easy. This is a tongue twister. Tongue twister is very useful for developing the language, okay? So I'm gonna say it in a very slow way, and then I'm gonna do it fast. Here we go. My sister Sally sells 6 socks at the supermarket. She also sells 7 small sweaters. How many items does she sell? So now in a fast way. My sister Sally sells 6 socks at the supermarket. She also sells 7 small sweaters. How many items does she sell? Try to do it faster than I. Okay, let's move to the page 34. Here you're going to the sticker page and you're gonna paste the missing numbers. It's very easy. Here we have to number 1 on page 34, number 1. These are the cardinal numbers. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, you're gonna stick them in the charts, and then on part 2 you are going to color the objects and trace the numbers. Okay, for example, these are doors and windows and tables, digital boards, and so on. Okay, they're not windows, but digital boards. We move to the next page. You are going to use the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are, for example, first, second, third, fourth. In fact, you are in first grade, okay? Yes. So you are going to organize to match in practice the ordinal numbers. For example, this is the first boy who is next to the teacher is the first one, second, third, fourth, okay, and fifth. This is the order, okay? And down in this train, in this beautiful train, you are going to color and write the ordinal numbers. I mean, for example, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, okay? We are finishing, thank God. Okay, let's continue. So here you are going to do the same that you did on previous pages. You are going to look at the objects and I'm going to write down yes or not according to the sentences. For example, the notebook is on the table. Yes, it is. You see here the notebook, so you write down yes. And so on. You are going to do the same. And here, this is the last activity, the souvenir page, okay, the last of your book, and you are going to stick this activity robot. You are going to put it on a cardboard, and then you are going to shape of a robot. Finally, you are going to color the picture and matches, and you are going to show me what did you do with the robot. The most beautiful robot is going to get 100 points, okay? Stick it on a cardboard and use your scissors, helped by your parents, of course, and you are going to color in the best way you want, okay? And a beautiful one. So this is it. I hope you are okay. Remember to wash your hands, take care of yourselves, and nothing. God bless you, everybody. Goodbye.